can fool some of the people all the time, and all the people some of the time, but you can't fool the Prince of Pan-Africanism none of the time. I said you can fool all the people some of the time, and some of the people all the time, but you can't fool the Prince of Pan-Africanism none of the time. This is your big brother King Kong Consciousness, founder, CEO, CAO, chair of the board, Frederick Douglass Marcus Garvey Academy. I'm on my job getting the school ready for our black boys. I said I'm on my job getting the school ready for our black boys. I said I'm on the job, and right now we got the sign going on the building. That's right. That's right. Fdmg Avenue, Dr. Boulevard, Prince of Pan-Africanism Parkway. This is history today. So I'm going to let you watch right now as the sign, FDMG, red, black, and green Garvey flag colors is being installed on your building, my building, our building, King Kong. Brothers and sisters, I promised our young men, our boys, our princes that I would build the Frederick Douglass and Marcus Garvey Academy, and I'm going to do just that. Yes, I'm the most requested black scholar in the world. Yes, I'm the most relevant black scholar in the world. Yes, I'm the #1 Pan-Africanist of the 21st century. Yes, I'm the greatest school psychologist of all time, but that doesn't mean nothing if I don't build no institutions. I said institutions are the solutions, and I want y'all to know right now, we're not stopping with the school, because school is only the beginning. We're not stopping with the school, brother. It's going to be Black Power, Black Wall Street. It's going to be a Big Papa, Black Wall Street. A Big Papa, we got the clinic coming. We got the credit union coming. We got the supermarket coming. We not stopping, brothers and sisters. Hit your Cash App, $FDMG School. 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 Hit your PayPal, paypal.me/FDMG Academy. Hit your PayPal, paypal.me/FDMG Academy. Hit your PayPal, paypal.me/FDMG Academy. Send your check of money orders payable to FDMG Academy, P.O. Box 9672, Wilmington, P.O. Box 96. Wait a minute. Y'all got me so hyped. I forgot my P.O. Box. P.O. Box 9634. P.O. Box 9634, Wilmington, Delaware, 19809. P.O. Box 9634, Wilmington, Delaware, 19809. This is not capitalism. This is activism. This is nationalism. This is Garveyism. That's right. I'm the only institution builder in the conscious community. I'm the only relevant institution builder in the conscious community. Peace to all my African queens. Black power to all my African kings. I said peace to all my African queens. Black power to all my African kings. I said peace to all my African queens. Black power to all my African kings. They taking the cover off the sign, brothers and sisters. They taking the cover off the sign, brothers and sisters. Where my Germaniacs at? Where my team Fdmg at? Where all my RBG Pan-Africanists at? Where my FDMG donors at? We coming to the finish line, brothers and sisters. Y'all thought this was a game? You thought I was fake? You thought I wasn't real? How dare you? I got the blood of Douglas in this body. I got the spirit of Garvey in this body. You must be crazy. It's not a good Garvey day. It's a great Garvey day. It's not a good Garvey day. It's a great Garvey day. Oh, yes, brothers and sisters. I'm going to let them go beg for reparations. I'm going to build institutions. I'm going to let them go beg for reparations. I'm going to build institutions. I'm going to let them go beg for reparations. I'm going to build institutions. Black Parent Boot Camp is going down in Philadelphia Saturday, November the 19th. Black Parent Boot Camp training is going down in Philadelphia Saturday, November the 19th. Go to DrUmarJohnson.com and register. $100 per parent. We providing all the training, all the information, snacks, and catered lunch. Philadelphia is going down. National invitation. Every black parent is invited to Dr. Umar's Pennsylvania Black Parent Boot Camp, North Philly, Saturday, November the 19th. 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. Register now. DrUmarJohnson.com. Deadline November the 7th. Register now. DrUmarJohnson.com. Deadline November the 7th. Or text me for the link. 215-989-9858. 215-989-9858. 215-989-9858. You parents with autistic children, you need to be in Philly November 19th. Emotionally disturbed children, you need to be in Philadelphia November the 19th. IEPs, 504s, behavior problems, you need to be in North Philadelphia Saturday, November the 19th. Go to DrUmarJohnson.com and register or text me for the link 215-989-9858. It is politics over punani, consciousness over cookies. It is business before the bedroom. Yes, indeed. It is organization before orgasm. It is institutions before intimacy, brothers and sisters.
Hey, get on board, City of Wilmington. Frederick Douglass School for Boys. It's time. The time has come for us to build our future for our children, our young men, to protect the women and children and be knowledgeable and gain knowledge and know who they are in their life. It's not a game, people. It's time. Our children are everything to us. Young men, come together. Learn who you are. Love your brother, love your sister, love your family, love your mother, love your father. It's time, people. History will be made. Stay tuned.
Brothers and sisters, we got another sign coming up. We got one more sign. We got the red, black, and green Fdmg sign coming up in a minute. The red, black, and green Fdmg sign that's going over the doorway, brothers and sisters. So we about to make that pop right now. Peace and Pan-Africanism. Peace and Pan-Africanism. King Kong consciousness, peace and Pan-Africanism. Fdmg, we in the building. Shout out to all the donors and supporters. One love.